Hey everybody, I finally made it here to Sosúa, and this begins season 3 of the move to the Dominican. Hey, this is Matt from workanywhere.life, and I am here outside on the, the deck, the veranda, not a veranda, on the first floor, but the porch to my hotel room with this nice cute little garden in the background and the pool. It's really a quaint place. I like staying in boutique hotels. So this one is close to downtown in Sosúa, and so I'm walking distance to what I need, and it's just, a cute little place. So welcome to season 3. There's going to be, season 1 was all about my drive from New Hampshire down to Florida, getting ready for the trip. Season 2 was making it to Florida, the cruises, the convention, the preparation for being able to leave the US, move to the Dominican, and now that I'm here, season 3 is all about the move. You're gonna see, I'm gonna tell you in the next video about how badly I've screwed up day one. Day one, folks. Ooh, it can only get better from here. So that's where I'm at, and I am so excited. What I have coming up next in this season is staying here for the week, getting some paperwork done. I need to go to the bank. I need to sign off on the mortgage. We need to actually get the talk with the realtor about the place that I'm purchasing, and I'll tell you more about that later on. And paper. Now, the preparation that went into this, if you go back to season 1, you're going to find that I needed to get a realtor down here in the Dominican. She's a sweetheart. I needed to talk with her broker down here for some more advanced stuff and help with the transition to purchasing property down here, which also required an attorney, so that I could set up an LLC. The place that I purchased is going to be in an LLC. What down here is called an SRL. And then, let's see, so then there was paperwork. Things in the US are done digitally. We have a very digital system. Down here, they have to send me paperwork. I have to sign it in blue ink, lots of restrictions, in quadruplets, not triplicate, quadruplet, and then mail it back to the DR so they have everything in original handwriting. It's a little bit old-fashioned, I understand it, but yeah, not everybody is as digital as the US is working to become. So where else am I? I needed to set up bank accounts down here too. So I have bank accounts set up. I think I'm prepared to make this transition, but we'll see. In the next video, I'll show you what day 1 looks like, and boy, I'm really hoping that it's all uphill from here. All right, remember to like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and there will be so much more. I can't wait to show you the place that I'm buying. Yeah, I'm so excited.